Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Mr. Agung. So my name is Brian Jonathan Cristello. I'm an accounting student. I'm in my fourth semester. Uh, so for in this opportunity, I'll going to explain about my final exam project or assignment, which is the Blockbuster Pros mobile pass control application. So here, I'm gonna propose a service management module, which includes of analysis, system design, implementation roadmap for digitalizing bookings, technician, dispatch, and service, and also service quality management. Moving on to the next slide. So here we can see the executive summary of the uh, project today. So as we know, Blockbuster Pro still had a manual operation where uh, it has a single module fixes on the core bottleneck. So the situation here is that the booking, technician dispatch, scheduling, and feedbacks are run by phone, messages, and memory across six disconnected apps. And this leads to an implication complication, which is as volume grows, this manual model produce errors, double bookings, and also zero visibility for customers, technicians, and management alike. So the resolutions that I will be proposing is a centralized management module which consists of booking, dispatch, tracking, reporting, and feedback in one mobile system and ready for a 13-week build. Hereby it also consists of six manual. So the situations here is consists of six manual process steps, and we're gonna replace all of that by one automated workflow. And the complication, and it also has three actors, which is customer, technician, and administrator. And the time that we will take is only 13 weeks. Moving on. So here are the 6 points of failure in today's fully manually workflow of the Blockbuster Pro. So the first one is manual. It has manual booking. The second one is manual technician assignment. The third one is no centralized schedule, and the fourth one is also has zero visibility for customer. The fifth one, systematic reporting, and the last one is it got inconsistent feedback capture. Moving on to the proposed solution. So the title of our proposed solution is One Connected Workflow End to End, where it connects from a customer request to management review. Every step is logged, assigned, and trackable in a single system of record. So the process is starting from the first one, which is service request, where customer submits booking. The second one is booking recorded, where where the system will validate and stores. The third one, the admin will be reviewing. The fourth one is there will be technician of bug technician to perform the service, and the fifth one is this service will be performed, and the sixth one, customer close the process by giving report or feedback. Moving on, so there's three roles of our system that I will be proposing. The first one is for customer, the second one is technician, and the third one is administrator. So we're going to run a demo, which I have made using Figma Make. So hereby, as we can see, we got three dashboard here. First one we will try as a customer. When we enter the dashboard, here we can see it has the home page and the booking page, which you can book here. Like for example, you can choose three services, the date, the time, and also you have to fill your address and notes, and it is optional. So hereby, if we confirm booking, we can see, we can track our booking here. For example, we just book about for inspection. So here, the service progress is already assigned to the technician, which is Marcus Johnson, and the process is in progress. So we can also see our booking history and also our profile. That's for the customer section. Moving on to the technician, where here we act as Marcus Johnson, where we can see the dashboard here. He got 2 jobs that currently active. So here's also the quick access and the job that he are currently active on. So for example, here he got 2 jobs. That the first one is currently in progress, and the second one is currently has been assigned but not in progress yet. And he also had the schedule. For example, like June 19th, he will perform an inspection on Sarah Mitchell, and so on and so forth. And also he got his job history that he has completed the job. And here you can see his profile as well as a technician. So moving on to the last one, which is the admin. As we can see, the admin are taking control of every service that has been performed. For example, you can see the total bookings pending, technician that are currently active, average rating, and the list of the customers. As we can see, if we click bookings here, it leads to bookings dashboard and list, and also history of the book. For example, like here we can see who's booking pending, are currently pending, and who's booking assigned, and also what services that are currently in progress. We can also see the team. For example, here Marcus Johnson is residential, Eleanor Rodriguez is commercial, and David K is the termite control. It also has the availability status. For example, like Marcus Johnson is currently available and Rodriguez is busy, and so on and so forth. And the most interesting one is the report, where we can see the analytics of the bookings. For example, like here, bookings per week. In the May week 3rd, it got 12 bookings. Week 4, 18 bookings. First week of June, it has 15, and so on and so forth. And also the total jobs, this week's jobs, and the percentage of growth depending on the last 5 weeks. So we can also see the customer feedback of the customer that has been reporting from the feedback forum. We're back on the slides. So that's all for the roles. And moving on to relational backbones that connect every transaction. So here we can see the booking provides connects customer to technician to admin, and the customer will receive a service, and he or she have to give a feedback or receive a service report, where the core relationship is the first one is one customer creates many bookings, one technician handles many bookings, one booking generates one service report, and one booking may receive one feedback report. So why it matters? Because the referential integrity between bookings, technicians, and report are closest to the audit gap management cannot currently see. So as I have mentioned and I have shown before, about the prototype of the app. So it basically designed for 3 screen with one shared experience, which is available and accessible by the customer, the technician, and the admin, where the customer can book a service, track live status, and rate completed jobs. The technician can view assignments, update progress, and file service reports. And the admin will dispatch the technician, monitor the bookings, and also run the reports. So uh, here you can see the link that you can access, and I have attached the link as well in the report. So lastly, here's the Gantt chart, which I create a discipline 13 weeks path to deployment, where it will be start from the first week, where the first week will consist of the planning for the implemented solution itself, and it will end up on the 13th week, where it will be a deployment or the implementation of the implemented solution, which is the app and the integrated dashboard and app itself. So lastly, about my proposal, where I propose to improve the build and plan for the next horizon. So to approve the service management module for build, it will be starting with week 1 planning sign off, with a benefits of faster booking, dispatch, and also schedule management. It has a real-time service visibility for every customer, and it also has centralized reporting for data-driven management decision. And it will takes around 13 weeks to deployment. And for the recommendation itself, I recommend to the first one, use a GPS technician tracking, where as we can see, if we using Gojek, we can see we can track where our where our driver, or in these terms is our technician, is it is where is he. So we can see here his real-time location visibility for the customers, for and it will available for the customers and admin. The second one is online payment integration. So it will be more efficient for the customer to pay. The third one is push notification about the bookings, assignments, and status alert. The booking for the customer, assignment for the technician, and status alert for both customers, for those parties, customers, technician, and also admins. And also I recommend to AI pass identification, where if there is past problems, you may take the photo itself and ask the AI for furthermore diagnostics about the problems. So I think that is all for me. I'm very sorry if there's any mistakes through the lecture or even the assignments. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a good day. Thank you very much, Mr. Agung.